Hey y'all, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna be unboxing another unboxing video, I know, but I'm gonna be unboxing the DJI camera. I see a lot of YouTubers use this camera, and I was watching back some of my videos, and I have the iPhone 17, and I thought that camera was gonna be good enough, but I was watching my videos, and I was like, why is it so blurry? Like, why is it not good? I was like, oh, got this a couple of days ago. I just haven't had time to unbox it yet, so we're unboxing it now. I'm so excited to unbox it, y'all. And it's the same brand as my microphone. So now I'm gonna have like basically the complete set. We're gonna see what it's like. And then at the end, I'll do a review of like a comparison of between my phone and this. So like you'll see it, like the difference. I don't know. If there's not a difference, then like I guess I'll just keep using my phone because it's easy. But I really hope that there's a big difference because yeah, I want my videos to look better, you know? So I bought it, and then it also like recommended to buy this. I don't know, I'm not really like a camera person, but yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, I think I did it. Bruh, that did nothing. What the heck? Ooh, okay. Here's the unboxing. I finally got it. Okay. Okay, that wasn't really that. It wasn't really an unboxing. That was just a plastic. But okay, now we're gonna actually unbox it. So it comes with this little like cool aesthetic strap thingy. Okay, I'm so ready. Let's see. Oh, here we go. Here we go. This is my first time seeing one and holding one. Like, oh my gosh. It feels kind of cheap. I'm not gonna lie. Like, not like that bad. It doesn't feel like Temu, but like it does not feel that. I don't know. Maybe I'm tripping. We're gonna see what else is in the box before I like mess with this. It comes with this thing too. I figured this would be the charging cable. Let's see. Oh, so that is like the, yeah, right. There we go. Oh, it smells good. Oh my gosh. Y'all, that's, you can't smell it, but oh my gosh. Instructions. I probably will need these. What else did they give me? Okay, they give you a sticker. I think my mics came with a sticker when I got the mics. What is this? It comes with a piece of paper. Genuinely, why would you? Just waste of trees, basically. I don't really need any of these like instruction papers, I think, because I don't know. It just smells so good. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, so it comes with the camera, and it comes with this little like holding thing you attach to the camera. It comes with the charger. It's USB-C to USB-C, and then it comes with that, which I think is a like an arm strap to connect to the camera. So it comes with 4 things. You get 4 things for like $600. Okay, we're gonna power it on. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, you can see my reflection. Hey. Oh, I have to like choose my language. Yeah, English. We're just gonna skip it. Swipe left edge to enter playback. Oh my god, I have an SD card. Let's put an SD card in it, y'all. Let's wait. Wait, it's still giving me a tutorial on like what to do and stuff. This mic keeps weighing down my shirt. It has like this like, oh my god, why is it? Okay, I don't know what that means, but I'm trying to show y'all. So we're gonna go to video. I just took probably like 5 minutes to try to figure out all these settings on here. Okay, clean. It's basically aimed towards y'all right now. It like keeps moving randomly though, like, I don't know. It like has a mind of its own, I think. Maybe I'll get better at using it, and so then my like videos will be really great. But it's really not that bad. So now we're gonna unbox this. I'm so ready. Okay. Dang, it's all the way down there, and I gotta rip the whole thing basically. We're gonna put this in there. I don't know how to put it in there, so I'm gonna figure it out and I'll come back to y'all. Hey y'all, so this is me on the camera. This is what it's looking like. I'm still trying to figure out how to work it. I'm not really sure. I don't even know if it's recording right now. I'm hoping it's recording. Okay, so I think it's recording. What is it doing? Okay, so I found out a few things on how to do this camera. I don't know if it's picking up my voice because I think this is still connected to my phone. But I figured out how to turn it, like, okay, what? So that's my phone. And then to turn it back, I figured out how to do that. Oh, and I put the SD card in it. It was kind of hard to put in. I thought like it didn't fit, but you had to just like shove it in there basically. Sometimes it randomly like goes off in the middle of like space. Like you're like, what are you doing? I'll just have to figure out how to use it. And then hopefully the next video I do, it's gonna be nothing but this camera. Hopefully it's picking up my voice. I don't know. Oh my gosh, I dropped my instructions, but hopefully it's picking up my voice. See, like, why is it down? Oh, there's a face tracking option. Here's the face tracking option. So I go up. Okay. This is what it looks like. Why is it like all the way over here on this side? What the heck? This is me on the camera. Okay, how does it look? Does it look good? And this is me on the phone. This is what it looks like. Does it look good? Which one looks better? It moves by itself. That's crazy. I can control it using the app. So like, and then I can move. Cool. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully the quality is better now. And yeah. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure to subscribe to me if you aren't subscribed already. Thank you for watching my video.